Hello YouTube, this is your boy Brad again with another video. This one I want to show the power supply and the problems that I've been having with it. It's just not able to keep up at higher power settings. So I got my power supply, I got my kilowatt meter, and of course on here it shows the volts in my battery pack. Coming out of the 18 volt, excuse me, 12 volt, 18 hour SLA battery, and there's my 300 watt inverter, per sine wave inverter on the side of it, and we're hooked up here to the Godox SK300, and I want to show you the issues I'm running into here. Okay, we're right now at 116 power, and you see the voltages. That battery is fully charged. With everything unplugged, it comes out at 13 volts, but once you plug it all up, power on everything, it drops to 12.5. You see we got 120 volts here, 119.3 coming out of the inverter, and 12.5 on our battery here. I'm going to switch this over to watts, and we're doing the same thing here, and I'm kind of show you what happens here. Okay, we're at 116 power. I'm going to go ahead and kick the monolight. And let me see if you can see that. I'll move this up just a little bit. You might see the little light on here on the power strip kind of flash. We're going to kick that again. See, we're probably going to have a more amp draw since the voltage is a little off. One more time. So we got 40, right about 40 volts. We're going to go up to 1/4 power. 1/8, I'm sorry. This is at 1/8 power. Let everything settle. And here we go. We're doing kind of alright. We're doing okay. If you notice the voltage drop on the battery, we're almost getting to the cutoff voltage of the inverter. The cutoff voltage of the inverter is 10.7 or 10.8, right around in there. I'm going to hit it again. You see where I drop? Right then, we hit 10.8 that time. Getting real close to the inverter alarm going off. We're going to go up to 1/4 power. There we go. Let it settle. Did okay. Again. There you just kind of heard the inverter alarm go off a little bit, which is saying I don't like that. Going to hit it again. Now we're going to half power. Here we go. Wait till it settles down on our watt meter. You see 122 amps, watts per se. Hit it again. We see our voltage on our battery really dropping out there. Hit it again. All kind of issues. Even though it's working. I'm going to say this in the beginning. I've changed out wires. I put much thicker wires in. I got 8 gauge wires and spots in 10 gauge. I was running mostly 12 gauge before. That hadn't made a whole bunch of difference, but we're at full power now. Wait till it settles. Here we go. Everything's working really hard because of that battery dropout. One more time. And you can see that battery is hitting 10.7 volts. It's not shutting down. It was shutting down on me in the beginning because of I had added some extra wire inside the case. Inside the case here, and I took the extra wire out and cleaned up my wiring and stuff. So now it won't. It will at least not shut down, and it will power the mono light. But as you notice, there is some still some power issues. Now here's something I'm gonna try here next. This is these are some 16 volt, 10,000 nanofarad capacitors. I know this is wide open, so I'm gonna say this before I even start this, guys. Do this at your own risk. These won't kill you, but I got them all hooked up here in parallel, and I'm gonna put these rings across the battery. Some videos I've seen on TV. I will, if this kind of works. I think I'm going to switch this whole thing up. I have some other batteries coming in to replace this battery in here. But I wanted to try this and see what happens. I got some tape so the batteries don't touch each other. And got it all soldered on here. All the negatives on one side. And got all the positives on that side. And we're going to hook this in series. In parallel with the battery. And see will it make a difference. Because this is supposed to do something. That'll be our next video. Thanks for watching.